Installing a bifold door. Before you can install your bifold door, set aside all the parts you're going to need. You'll need your 2 door panels, corner cabinet bifold hinge, and either your 170 or 180 degree hinge. One of your panels will contain cutouts for your 2 types of hinges. Please note, the cutouts which go all the way to the edges of the panels are for the corner cabinet bifold hinges. Place your 170 or 180 degree hinge into the cutouts provided. Press firmly into place and flip down the Boss cover cap to secure in place. Repeat the process with the remaining hinges of this type. Next, you'll be installing the corner cabinet bifold hinges. Place into the cutout provided, press into place, and then secure by tightening the screws. Be careful not to over-tight. Repeat with remaining bifold hinges. Take the door that has the hinges affixed and attach to the hinge plates on the inside of your cabinet carcass. Simply place the hinges in line with the hinge plate, then press to clip on. Repeat until your door is fully clipped on. Open and close the door to ensure the hinges are working correctly. Next, clip the hinge plates on the second door panel onto the bifold hinges installed on the first door panel. Simply place in line and clip into position. Open and close your bifold door a couple of times to check that it's working correctly. Congratulations, you have successfully installed your goFlatpacks bifold door.